We are going to learn how to use the span blur effect in Photoshop. So the first thing that we have to do, press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate that layer and then right click and convert this to a smart object. Now the reason I do this is because I can then apply this spin blur as a smart filter, which means that I can then edit it or delete it. Just gives me a lot more flexibility. So now I'm going to go up a filter and down to blur gallery and select a spin blur, and it creates one for me by default. I can press backspace on the keyboard and then drop down the span blur where I like myself just by clicking. So I'm just going to select this point here, and then what I can do is hover around the edge of the circle and I can make this layer or smaller. So I'm just adjusting the size and get this into position so it covers the wheel. Okay, so once you have it in position, you can go over here to the spin blur panel and we can adjust the amount of the blur, the slider, or you can enter a particular value if you like. Depends how fast you want to make it spin. We get some other effects down here, so strobe strength and a few other things, strobe flashes and flash duration. So you can fine tune all of this and you see those changes happening in real time as well, so you can really fine tune your spin blur. When you're happy, just go ahead and click OK. Let's have a look at the before and after. So this is the before and this is the after. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more tutorials.